Our world is always changing. Today, that change is quicker and more disruptive than ever before. But not everyone is prepared to adapt to change. Kyocera is the partner who enables organizations to embrace change by putting knowledge to work. Knowledge, the key value driver of any organization. Knowledge comes from information, which is printed, digitized, archived, and distributed through multiple channels and formats. As the volume of information grows, we combine economical, environmentally friendly MFPs and printers with software to deliver tailored document solutions. Beyond this, Kyocera is leading the drive of digital in the world of production printing. That is possible with our inkjet technology for those companies that want more than only high volumes of printing and require more tailored forms. And this is just the beginning. We envision further expansion into industrial printing, benefiting from our expertise to reach into new areas. Furthermore, we will provide our customers with a powerful way to utilize their knowledge in an entirely different way. Our ECM and CSP solutions provide comprehensive control over information throughout the organization by enabling integration, recognition, classification, and automated workflows so our customers can put knowledge to work. Connectivity is another keystone of today's success. Kyocera provides one-stop consulting services for the design and operation of ICT networks, servers, cloud environments, and security. Our world will always be changing. But change has always been faced by organizations that empower their people, efforts, and abilities, and especially by those who have chosen a good travel companion. Kyocera. We put knowledge to work.